In this case, we have the term y which is equal to 1. That is the coefficient term. So this is how we are going to find out the values of unknowns by the method of substitution. X equal to 4 and y equal to 0 are the two solutions we have. Is there any point of intersection going to happen with this kind of values? Not at all possible. It is not at all possible for the lines to intersect. Hello everyone, it is Dr. Ravi Kumar YB. In today's session, we shall learn the method of both by the method of substitution as well as by the method of graphing. We are going to solve the system of linear equations. In the previous session, we have studied about, I have taught you about the solving the system of linear equations by the method of substitution. In today's session, we are going to continue the same method of substitution and then we shall move on to the next type of method, that is solving system of linear equations by the method of graphing. So in this case, we have the first equation, that is this 5x minus 6y is equal to 14, and then we have the second equation, that is y minus 4x equal to minus 17. First, let me have the value of one of the x. In this case, we have the second equation. Let me rewrite the same equation first, that is 5x minus 6y is equal to 14. Then we have the next equation, y minus 4x equal to minus 17. So this is my first equation and this is my second equation. So if that is the case, before applying any of the substitution of any of the terms into any of the equations, please be careful what is the value that is present at this term, that is the first equation. What is the value present at this location? The value present at this location. In this case, we have the term y which is equal to 1. That is the coefficient term. That is 1. What is the value we have for the second term? 4x. If I include the sign, it is minus 4. What is the value we have for this? Minus 6y. So we are going to have a value which is equal to this. If I further simplify the second equation, what happens? That is 5x minus 6y is equal to 14. Then y is equal to 4x minus 17. This is the second equation. That is, this is the second equation. If I substitute the value of y into this original equation, that is the value of y which is mentioned in the second equation into the first equation, I am going to get the value of y. That is, everything would be in terms of x there, because if I substitute the value of y into this equation, 5x minus 6 into 4x minus 17 equal to 14 is the value we get. Then if I further simplify this term, 5x minus 24x minus 17 into 6, what is the value we are going to get? 17 into 6. 6 7s are 32. 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 2 4, 1 6 are 6, 10, 1 not 2. It is 1 not 2. Minus into minus, it becomes plus. Plus 1 not 2 equal to 14. Now, if I further simplify this term, we have the value which is equal to 5x minus 24x plus 1 not 2. If I substitute this, if I take this term towards this side, what happens? That is 24x minus 5x is equal to 102 minus 14. That is, what is the value of x then? 19x is equal to 102 minus 14. What is the value we get? 98, 88. That is 19x equal to 88. If I further simplify this term, what is the value we are going to get? That is 19x equal to 88. X equal to 88 by 19. What is the value we get? 19 5s are, that is equal to 19 1s are 19, 19 5s are, we'll get some value, that is if I further simplify this term, 95, 19 5s are 95, but what is the value we have here? 88. So what is the value we are going to get? That is this term. 5x plus 24x minus 102. It is 4x minus 17. Please see to it. 4x minus 17 equal to 14. If I further simplify this term, I'll get this value. 5x minus 24x plus 102 is equal to 14. Please see to it. 5x plus 24x, it is plus sign. Sorry, I am very sorry for this. It is plus sign. So, if that is the case, 5x plus 4x, 24x is 29x. That is this term. This becomes 29x. This is minus term. That turns out to be the value which is equal to minus. If it is plus into minus, minus. So, it is minus. So, we have the term 29x minus 102 equal to 14. Now, if I bring this towards this side, it becomes 29x equal to 102 plus 14. So, totally 29x equal to 116. So, x equal to 116 by 29. That turns out to be the value x equal to this term. That is 4. It is 116, not 16. It is 116 by 29. That turns out to be the value which is equal to 4. So, x equal to 4. Now, we have found the value of x equal to 4, and if I substitute the value of x equal to 4 into this, any of this equation, that is into this equation, if I substitute it into this equation, I'll get the value y is equal to 4 into 4, that is x equal to 4. So, 4 into 4, 16 is minus 17. So, y, what is the value of y? Y is equal to 16 minus 17. So, y is equal to minus 1. This is the value of y. So, we have got the value which is equal to x equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. Now, it is the time for cross verification. How can I do the cross verification? That is, this is the original equation, 5x plus 6y. 5x plus 6y is equal to 14. Now, what is the value of x? 4 plus 6 into minus 1 is equal to 14. Now, we have 16 minus 6 equal to 14. What is the value we get? 5 4s, it is 20. 20 minus 6. So, 14 is equal to 14. It is correct. It is a balanced value. Now, we have another equation, that is y is equal to 4x minus 17. Let us see to it for other equation. Y is equal to 4x minus 17. Y is equal to minus 1, which is equal to 4 into 4 minus 17. That is minus 1 equal to 16 minus 17. 16 minus 17 is equal to minus 1. So, minus 1 equal to minus 1. So, we have the value, that is minus 1 equal to minus 1. Again, this is a balanced equation. If that is the case, what is the value of x? X equal to 4, then y is equal to minus 1. These are the values of x and y. So, this is how we are going to find out the values of unknowns by the method of substitution. If that is the case, which is the next method we have? So, we have this equation. So, let me see to the next method, that is this graphing method. In case of graphing method, we are going to find out the point of intersection between two lines. Suppose if there is a coordinate system like this, and if one of the line passes anywhere here, and if another line passes somewhere here like this, the point of intersection happening at this point, so I will drop a normal to it here. So, what is the value? What is the value of x here? That is the value of x. And what is the value of y? That is the value of y. So, we are going to find out the values of x and y by this method, by the method of graphing. If that is the case, if there is one more possibility, suppose if there is no intersection at all, these two lines are not intersecting at all at any point of time. In that case, do we have a solution? No, we do not have a solution at all for these type of linear equations. So if that is the case, let me take you into the details. X equal to 4 plus y. If I substitute the value of y is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what is the value of x? X will be, when the value of y is equal to 0, x equal to 4. When the value of y is equal to 1, x equal to 5. When the value of y is equal to 2, x equal to 6. When the value of y is equal to 3, x equal to 7, 8, 9, maybe. Let me see to it. When the value of y is equal to 3, it is 7. When the value of y is equal to 4, x equal to 8. When the value of y is equal to 5, x equal to 9. So we have these values, x equal to this term for the first equation. Similarly, for the second equation, if I substitute the value of x equal to some term, we have the value x equal to this term. So if I bring it towards this side, what is the value I am going to get? X equal to 3y plus 4. If that is the case, this is my second equation. Now if I substitute the value of y is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on like this, what is the value of x? X equal to 3 into 0, 0 plus 4, x equal to 4. The same thing we are going to get. That is, when the value of y is equal to 1, 4 plus 4, that is 8. Then, when the value of x equal to y is equal to 2, that is 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 4, it is 10. When the value of y is equal to 3, 3 plus the 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 4, that is 13. So if you observe that, there is a value which is going to be incremented. That is, when the value of y is equal to 4, that is 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 4, 16. What is the value of y then? When the value of y is equal to 5, it is 15 plus 4, we have 19. So these are the values we are going to get. Now if I pass on these values onto the original graph, onto the coordinate system, what is the value I am going to get? Let me show you that. For the first equation, this is for the first equation and this is for the second equation. When the value of y is equal to 0, that is at this point, x equal to 4, that is this point. X equal to 4, this is my x, this is my y. When the value of y is equal to 1, what is the value of x? It is 8. Let me keep it here. When the value of y is equal to 2, we have 10. So on like that. When the value of y is equal to 3, it is 13. It is 13. Y is equal to 4, it is 16. Y is equal to 5, it is 19. So let me take you into another equation with values. That is, when y is equal to 0, it is 4. When y is equal to 0, it is 4. When y is equal to 0, it is 4. So we have this point here. When y is equal to 1, it is 5. When y is equal to 1, it is 5. X equal to 5. Some value here. When y is equal to 1, it was 8 here. Earlier value. Y equal to 0, it is y equal to 0, it is 4. Y is equal to 1, it is 8. That is this point. When y is equal to 2, it is 10. That is this point. When y is equal to 3, it is 13. At this point. So we have another equation with values y equal to 0, x equal to 4. Y equal to 0, x equal to 4. Y is equal to 1, x equal to 5. Y is equal to 1, x equal to 5. Another value, y is equal to 2, x equal to 6. Y is equal to 2, x equal to 6. When y is equal to 3, x equal to 7. When y is equal to 3, x equal to 7. So we have one of the line passing in this direction and another line which is passing through this direction. So there is a point of intersection. This is called as 4, x equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. So we have the value which is equal to x equal to 4 and y equal to 0 are the two solutions we have, are the solutions of x and y. These are the two unknowns. X and y are the two unknowns. We are getting the values of x equal to 4 and y is equal to 0 through the graphing method. So similarly, let me take you into the other equations. Now we have the graph line x equal to 4 plus y and x minus 3y is equal to 4, indicating that the solution. So we have the value of solution at 4, 0, that is x equal to 4 and y is equal to 0 we have. So if that is the case, if these lines are parallel, which is the other solution, other possibility, that is, if the lines are parallel, they do not meet each other at all. That means they do not intersect at all. If that is the case, what is the solution? There is no solution for such kind of problems. That is, see here, this is for 4, 0 is the point of intersection. So we have x equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. This is one of the solution. In the next example, you are going to see that there is no solution at all. That is, let me consider the first equation. 3x plus 4y is equal to 2. 6x plus 8y is equal to 4. If that is the case, since it is a double of this term, that is 3x, 6x, 4y, 8y, 2, 4. So we have a double of this. So if that is the case, and if I substitute the value of this, that is the value, when the value of x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what is the value of y? If I want to find out the values of y for these terms, what has to be done? 4y is equal to 2 minus 3x. This is the first equation, which is the next equation. 8y is equal to 4 minus 6x. This is my second equation. So if that is the case, I am going to get the value of y here. That is, by substituting the value of x, we are going to get the value of y. If that is the case, let me consider the value of x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the second equation. This is for the first equation. When the value of x equal to 0, that is 3 into 0, 2 minus 0, it is 2. What is the value of x next time? It is 1. It is 3 into 1. 2 minus 3, it is minus 1. 4y is equal to minus 1. So we have y is equal to minus 1 by 4 here. Y is equal to minus 1 by 4 here. When the value of this, please see to it, observe this carefully. We have the value, when the value of x equal to 0, we have this term 0, that is 4y is equal to 2, that is 4y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. We have the value 1 by 2 here, minus 1 by 4 there. Then when the value of x equal to 2, we have the value that is equal to this term. Let me solve it here. 4y is equal to 2 minus 3x. When the value of x equal to 2, it is minus 6. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 4y is equal to minus 4, that is y equal to minus 1, that is minus 1. When the value of x equal to 3, it is minus 9. 2 minus 9 is what? Minus 7. Minus 7. 4y is equal to minus 7. So y equal to minus 7 by 4. That is minus 7 by 4 when the value of x equal to 3. But similarly, when the value of x equal to 4, we have some value, that is 2 minus 3 into 4, that is 12. 2 minus 12, that is 4y is equal to minus 10. So y is equal to minus 10 by 4. 2 2s are 2 5s are, that is y is equal to minus 5 by 2, that is minus 5 by 2. This is the value of y. Similarly, I have to find out the value of y for second equation. What is the value of y? So we have the term x equal to 0. So 6 into 0, that turns out to be 0. 8y is equal to 4. It is 1 by 2. We have the value which is 1 by 2. Next, we have to substitute the value of x equal to 1. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2. That is 8y is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2 by 8, which turns out to be 2 1s are 2 4s are. It is minus 1 by 4. So we are getting the same values, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. Again, we'll get minus 1 here, minus 7 by 4 here, minus 5 by 2 here. Is there any point of intersection going to happen with this kind of values? Not at all possible. It is not at all possible for the lines to intersect in the coordinate system. If that is the case, what is the solution for these kind of equations? We do not have a solution for these kind of equations. Since the equations or the lines are not intersecting at any point in the coordinate plane, we do not have a solution for these kind of equations. So that is the only one thing we can state it here for the equations like this. Then, if you look at this, the solution is not unique, is not a unique point, and the solution is at all these points on the line, because we have a parallel lines here. So therefore the solution is either equation of the line, since both represents the same line. This is like example when it was done using the addition or subtraction method in the first session of unit 2. Now the same thing is explained here in the terms of graph. This is one of the equation and this is another equation. There is no point of intersection between two lines, so there is no solution at all. So let me consider one more example here, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 4 and 6x plus 8y is equal to 16 as the two equations. Let me consider the value of x and y, that is when the value of x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the value of y? This is for equation number 1. And for another equation number 2, let me have another values, that is x, y. We have the terms, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, what is the value of y? If that is the case, we have to rearrange it. If that is the case, 4y is equal to 4 minus 3x is the first equation. Then what is the second equation? 8y is equal to 16 minus 6x. This is my second equation. If I substitute the value of x equal to 0 into this, what is the value of y? Y is equal to 1. X equal to 1, what happens? 3 into 1, 4 minus 1, it is 1. Y is equal to 1 by 4. What is the value of y for the value of x equal to 2? It is 4 minus 6, it is minus 2. Minus 2 by 4, that is minus 1 by 2. What is the value of x? X equal to 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 minus 9, it is minus 5. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to minus 5 by 4. What is the value of x next time? X equal to 4. 3 4s are 12. 4 minus 12, it is minus 8. So y is equal to minus 8 by 4. It is 4 ones are 4 twos. We have the value which is equal to minus 2 here. What is the value of x next time? It is 5. So 3 5s are 15. 4 minus 15, it is minus 11. Minus 11 by 4. This is minus 11 by 4. Similarly, for the second equation, we have the terms, that is x equal to 0. When the value of x equal to 0, this term turns out to be 0. So 8y is equal to 16. Y is equal to 16 by 8. That turns out to be the value which is equal to 2. What is the value of x next time? It is 1. When the value of x equal to 1, 10 minus 6, it is 16 minus 6, it is 10. 8y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 by 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So 5 by 4. Y is equal to 5 by 4. What is the value of x next time? It is 2. 6 2s are 12. That is 16 minus 12 is 4. Y is equal to 8y is equal to 4. So we have 8y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 by 8. That is 4 1s are 4 2s are. We have the term 1 by 2 here. What is the value of x and y next time? X equal to 3. If x equal to 3, what is the value of y? 6 3s are 18. That is 16 minus 18. 8y is equal to this. 8y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 by 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. That is minus 1 by 4 we have. Minus 1 by 4 we have. We have the term 1 by 4 here. Minus 1 by 4 here. So there is a possibility. Let us see to it. We have the value of x equal to 4 next. 6 4s are 24. Minus 24. 16 minus 24. 8y is equal to this. 8y is equal to 16 minus 24. It is 8. minus 8, y is equal to minus 1. So we have the value which is minus 1 here. We have 1 here. So let us see to it later. What is the value of x next time? It is 5. 6 5s are 30. So we have the term minus 30. 16 minus 30 is assigned to 8y. We have the value 8y is equal to 14. Y is equal to 14 by 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. So we have the value y is equal to 7 by 4. We have the value in terms of that. So these are the values. If we plot these values onto the graph, onto the coordinate plane, at some point there may be a possibility of intersection of two lines, or there may not be a possibility of intersection of two lines. So looking into the point of intersection and dropping a normal onto the x-axis and onto the y-axis, we are going to get the values of x and y. As I have already told you at the beginning of this session, that is, this values like this. When the two lines intersect each other, we drop a normal from there to the x-axis to get the value of x, and we draw a line onto the y-axis to get the value of y. So this is how we are going to find out the value of x and y. So in the same manner, we are going to find out the value of these terms, that is this x and y. By plotting these values onto that, we are going to get some values. See here. Again, in this example 10, if I substitute those values, there is no point of intersection at all. So if that is the case, is there any solution to these kind of equations? No, we do not have a solutions at all. No solutions at all. Linear equations like this. That is, no solution. This is how we are going to find out the solutions of unknowns, that is x and y. In the next session, you are going to find out the values of x and y by incorporating the row reduction operation and column reduction operation, so that the values of x and y are determined with the help of iterative methods. So with this, we are going to conclude this session. So if you have any questions or doubts with respect to the topics I discussed in today's session, kindly come back to me on the live session so that I can clear all of your doubts and questions. Thank you one and all.